What's up YouTube, welcome to another episode of the M135i rebuild. Today we're here at the garage to give a car a nice wash and a nice buff and polish. So he's gonna go back to his former glory and he's gonna be nice and shiny again. As you've seen from the previous video, obviously the car is done, it was painted, everything put back together. The color match is perfect, the panel gaps are perfect, everything lines up properly. The MOT has been done, the wheel alignment been done. Also the wheel alignment guys told me that there's a bit of a problem with the camber of the left wheel. They couldn't adjust it properly, so they suggested me to have a bit of look around to see if I can find that there's gotta be something else that's a little bit bent. They told me it's not a major difference. I think it's a 1 degree. I think the left wheel is 1.7 degrees, have a 1.7 degrees of negative camber, but they said it's not a major thing, but I should, if I have time, I should look into it. So maybe we get to that today as well, but I just want to knock the polishing out, and I want the car to look perfect. I want to be nice and shiny, so that's what we're gonna do today. And obviously when we sprayed the car, we didn't have the left side headlight washer cover, so the two headlight washer covers wasn't we didn't spray them, and that's been sprayed now, so that's gonna get put back together, so we're not gonna have those ugly holes on the bumper. And finally the car's gonna be 100% complete. I got little bits like little bolts and stuff to put back to the wheel arch liner, and hopefully I'm gonna get done with everything today, and the car's gonna be nice and shiny. I hope that I'm not gonna find really deep scratches, because that's just gonna take too much time to sand it down and then polish it up. So let's see how it goes. Just stay tuned guys, and let's see. washed the car, we got into the garage, and now we're gonna just need to dry it, and then we're gonna start polishing. Let's crack on with it. Right side of the car. I already finished it. Looks 10 times better than how it was. I wasn't even expecting like perfection, but I wanted to make much shinier because the car was like really faded from all the swirls it had. I think the previous owner, I only washed it with those automatic car washes, but it looks really nice now. You can see the color much better as well. It's a really, really sparkly color. The rear end's done. The top of the car. And I'd already done a bit of cutting on this side. This wing, and I found a massive scratch which was going all the way from here, from the wing to the end of the door, and I couldn't just rub that out with the rubbing compound, so I have to sand it down. This is just 2000, I'm gonna go over it with 3000 there, and yeah, after that I'm just gonna buff it up. So let's crack on with this because it's getting kind of late. Look at this. I was polishing this car since 11 in the morning and now it's almost 8 o'clock, but totally worth it. It looks 10 times better than how it was. Now it looks proper back. I installed back the headlight washers as well. I'm speechless. How good this thing looks. It's amazing. Alright, I'm gonna wrap up today's video. thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video, where probably we're gonna take it for a couple of spins. I might do like a 0 to 60 video, like do a proper try. So see you next time.